In this video, you'll learn how to open a support ticket directly in Pipefy in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through every step, from identifying your organization to confirming that your ticket has been successfully created. Before opening a ticket, you'll need a number called an org ID, your organization's unique identifier in Pipefy. Having it on hand will significantly speed up the support process. Look at the address bar in your browser while logged into Pipefy. The number that appears right after organizations / is your org ID. Go ahead and copy that number now. Next, from any screen inside Pipefy, click Help in the main menu. There, you'll find your previous conversations, the platform status page, and access to the community. To contact standard support, click Ask a question. A support window will open where you can describe the reason for your request. Let us know whether it's a question, an error, or a request, and provide as much detail as possible. A good description includes the name of the pipe, the phase where the issue or question is occurring, the field involved, and what you expected to happen versus what is actually happening. If you have screenshots or screen recordings, this is the perfect time to attach them. The AI chat may suggest articles or tips that resolve the issue on the spot. It's worth checking before moving on. It may also ask for additional information to better understand the root cause. Next, the chatbot will ask for your org ID. Paste the number you copied earlier and submit. If the issue is more complex, the bot may route you to a support queue. All communication will take place within the chat itself. That's it. Your ticket has been created and you're in the queue. Your SLA clock starts from this moment, within the coverage hours of your plan. One last reminder, keep the conversation active with the AI. If there's no interaction for 30 minutes, the session will automatically close. And the more details you share, the faster we'll be able to resolve your issue. See you next time.